Surf Air Mobility just joined an exclusive club as its charter brokerage division, Surf On Demand, earned Argus Certified Charter Broker Accreditation and joined the Air Charter Safety Foundation. The Argus certification follows a comprehensive audit of Surf On Demand's operational procedures, safety protocols, and due diligence processes. This recognition places the company among only 16 certified charter brokerages worldwide, highlighting its adherence to rigorous standards in private aviation. Air Charter Safety Foundation membership means Surf will collaborate with other aviation stakeholders to promote safety management systems, risk mitigation strategies, and ongoing safety education across the industry. Surf On Demand has grown significantly since 2020. Building a global network of vetted operators and aircraft. It is also expanding through its Powered by Surf On Demand program, a platform that equips independent brokers with proprietary software, operational infrastructure, and standardized processes aligned with Argus certified standards. This program helps streamline key functions like quoting, compliance, and trip management while maintaining consistent safety oversight. Surf expects Surf On Demand to be its largest contributor to revenue growth this year, driven in part by the scaling of its technology platform and increasing demand for on-demand charter services. Surf Air Mobility trades under the ticker symbol SRFM, which you can keep tabs on with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.